Hey everybody, it's Anthony here on EduPower Tools, and I'm here today to take 2 minutes of your time to show you how to create an event in Google Calendar. There are a couple of different ways you can do it. The first way you can do it is this big create button right here. You're going to click on that. It's going to ask you for the basic information. So I'm going to add a title, sample event. I can set my times here, so 11:30, 11:45. I can make it be any amount that I would like to be. If you don't like these standard times here, they're in 15-minute increments. You can type in a time, so if I know I'm going to be working on something from 11:30 to 11:36 a.m., I can do that. And it'll keep it in there. If I want to add any guests in here, I can click on that, and I can add in an email address. I'll add myself here from my other account. If I want to set a location, I can set a location here. So say I'm going to be meeting at Starbucks. I can click a Starbucks. That's close by Starbucks right there. And I can add a description. And then down below here, you'll see it says Anthony Amatrano. That's me. This is my primary calendar. If I wanted to put it on a different calendar, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to choose the calendar that I want it to go onto. I'm going to have this go on my secondary calendar that I just created in another step. And I can hit save here, or I can hit more options. So I'm going to do more options to show you what this extra menu looks like. And it's going to just give you some more options in terms of conferencing, selecting when you want to be notified, so you can have notification from an app or from your browser, or you can have an email notification a certain amount of minutes before the meeting is supposed to take place, and you can add as many notifications as you'd like. And the other thing is here you can set your busy status, whether you're busy or free. So if it's an appointment but it's not really an appointment, you can set that you're free and available to meet with other people. And then, like I said, the description down here, and the people you've invited are over here. If you do want to get rid of somebody you've invited, you just click the X to remove. That's pretty much it. The other way to create an event on a calendar is, if you want to go back to the calendar, you can click and drag. So say I know that on Wednesday at 10 a.m. I'm going to meet for an hour. I can click and drag. If I'm going to meet for 2 hours, I'm just going to drag a little bit further down. If I want to meet for longer, I can drag it down as long as I want to. If I wanted to interrupt an event that's already on there, I can do that too. And then you get the same pop-up that was brought up before, asking you the information that you need to provide in order to create the event. I hope you found that helpful. If you need any help creating an event in Google Calendar or anything else Google related, please let me know. I'm happy to help you at any time. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.